Welcome to our channel. If you're experiencing buffering issues with Macs on your Firestick in 2026, follow these step-by-step instructions to improve streaming performance. Step 1. Check your internet connection speed using a speed test app on your Firestick. Max requires at least 5 megabits per second for HD and 25 megabits per second for 4K content. Step 2. Move your Firestick closer to your Wi-Fi router or use a Wi-Fi extender to improve signal strength and reduce buffering caused by weak connectivity. Step 3. Restart your Firestick device. Unplug it from power, wait 30 seconds, plug it back in, and allow it to fully restart before opening Macs again. Step 4. Clear the Macs app cache to remove temporary files that may be causing performance issues. Go to Settings, Applications, Manage Installed Applications, Macs, and select Clear Cache. Step 5. Close other apps running in the background on your Firestick. Too many apps running simultaneously can consume resources and cause buffering. Step 6. Update the Macs app to the latest version. Go to the App Store on your Firestick, search for Macs, and install any available updates. Step 7. Restart your router or modem. Unplug the power cable, wait 30 seconds, plug it back in, and allow the network to fully restart. Step 8. If buffering continues, lower the video quality in Mac settings. This reduces bandwidth requirements and can help maintain smooth playback on slower connections. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.